We have received some new information from the Department of Homeland Security regarding the parole in place, which is to promote family unity. Now, it's very important for you to watch this video until the very end, because we're going to be sharing a lot of very important information regarding this new parole in place, which is a huge win for us here in immigration and for you and for all the immigrants here in the United States. This is a relief that similar to nothing that we have had in the past, and this is going to help thousands and thousands of families. So watch this video. We're going to give a lot of very important information, and watch this video until the very end. And please share this video with other people that you think is going to be benefit from this video. The most important thing that you need to know right now is that the government of the United States is going to start accepting applications for this new parole in place starting August 19th. So we're talking about less than a month. That's the most important thing, which means that you should start now contacting an attorney, calling an attorney, and trying to figure out if you are eligible for this benefit or not. In addition to that, you can start from now, start gathering all the documents that you're going to need for this application that you're going to file with the government. So let's talk about the requirements. What you need to have in order to be eligible for this new parole in place. First, you have to be here in the United States without inspection, which means that you came to the United States without a valid visa. In addition to that, you need to have been here in the United States for 10 years. 10 years from June 17, 2024, which is the day that this new relief was announced here in the United States. So you have to be here in the United States for those 10 years prior to that date, June 17, 2024. In addition to that, you need to be married to a United States citizen. So those are 3 requirements, right? The very last one is that you cannot have a criminal record that is going to disqualify you from this relief. And for that, we can help you. If you do have a criminal record, you just have to give us a call, and we will just examine your criminal history to see if that is going to disqualify you from your relief. So I'm going to mention the requirements again. First, 10 years here in the United States, married to a United States citizen, no disqualifying criminal record, and the way that you came to the United States, it was without an inspection. So if you have these 4 requirements, just give us a call because you might be eligible for this relief. So let's talk about what documents do you need for applying for this requirement, for this parole in place. And this is something that you can start doing right now. You can start working on trying to gather all the documents, finding the documents you're going to need, because there's a lot of documents that you're going to need in order for you to be eligible for this. First of all, you have to prove your identity. For that, you have to provide a copy of your driver's license or your passport, your birth certificate. So you have to prove that you are who you're saying that you are, right? In addition to that, you have to demonstrate that you're married to a United States citizen. For that, you're going to need the valid marriage certificate, so we can prove that you're married to this person, that the marriage happened prior to June 17 of 2024. And also we have to prove that this person is a United States citizen. For that, we'll need a copy of the United States citizen passport or the birth certificate of the person, so we can prove that this person is a United States citizen, or a certificate of naturalization if that person was naturalized here in the United States. In addition to that, we're going to have to prove that you have been here in the United States for 10 years. For that, there's many ways that we can prove that you've been here in the United States. You can find, right, copy of tax returns that you have done for the past 10 years, copies of bank statements of accounts that you have opened 10 years ago, copy of mortgages, copy of leases that you have done for the past 10 years. So we can have to prove every single year that you have been here in the United States. We need a document that shows every single year your presence here in the United States. In addition to that, if you have criminal record, you're going to have to find some documents related to rehabilitation, right? For example, if it was a DWI and you completed some sort of rehabilitation, then just have to give us a copy of those documents that show that you went to classes or that you took some sort of therapy. All that we can just show that you have been rehabilitated and then you were a person of good moral character here in the United States. So those are the most important requirements, and those are the documents that you should start gathering from now. So give us a call so we can discuss your case and talk about your eligibility about this specific relief, which is a parole in place to keep family unity here in the United States. One last thing, it's very important for you that you do not fall for scams here in the United States. It's very common for people to just call someone that says that knows someone that can help you, but in reality, these people are not attorneys. So you have to make sure that the person that's helping you is an attorney that has an office, that you can go see the person and that you are 100% sure that this is an attorney. Here in the United States, notarios are not allowed to practice law. So if the person tells you that that person is a notario, that person is not allowed to help you. Just make sure that you're not falling for scammers and give us a call. We're ready to help you discuss your case and walk you through the entire process so you can stay here in the United States and we can preserve family unity.